All right, tonight I'll be working this Yale 500 Plus. Unfortunately, it's not ranked, and you can see the logo. Put my hand up here. The logo is this direction instead of this direction, so it's not ranked blue. It's not as hard as blue. If I had to guess, maybe one day it'll be ranked green, but it's still a challenge a lot due to the warding and just the kind of counter rotation. So before I start, one of the things I try to talk through it. One of the things is when I'm providing torque, sometimes when I push on the pins, they even though they need to counter rotate because I'm in a full set, when I push on them, it doesn't do that. So what I do is I actually, this is gonna be over dramatic, and pretty much when I come here, I'm gonna be kind of twisting, which will give it the counter rotation just to get past it. So just kind of, that's one of the things I'm doing. So let's set up. All right, so I'm gonna provide a light tension and go from 1. Okay, nothing on 1, 2. 2 is binding. Okay, look at that. Get a little false set. All right, go to 3. Nothing on 3. 4 has a little counter rotation. That one is beautiful because it's naturally happening. But I think I missed it. Nope, back into the false set. All right, so I think I got 4. So going up, 1 had a little bit of a counter rotation when I pushed it. So let me see if I could set 1. 1 is counter rotating. Let's see what we can do there. Okay, all right, so 1, 2 came back up. Let's get 2 back in. There's 2, we're back in the full set. Checking 3. 3 gave him counter rotation, so let's work on 3. Actually, that might be 4. I think I went 4. All right, and open. Okay. Not too difficult. Just keep in mind that I have literally done this video probably about 25 times now, and anytime I go over 5 minutes, I just stop. So don't think that I always get it that quickly. So that was good for me. Just keep this in frame, even though it's not ranked. One day maybe it will be, and I like having all my stuff there. So we'll keep this. Bring this down here. Might have lost the side of half the core for a little bit, but that's okay. All right, put this right here. Bring this in. Give myself a center reference for the frame. All right. And let's take this apart. So here's my original Yale lock. Okay, line up, it works. All right, so taking this apart, this is obviously cut in half. Turn it sideways, because that's the way you can get the C-clip off easiest. Okay, and then this just pops right out. There we go. Okay, that's out. All right, I'm going to put this pin in the correct direction again and flip it upside down so that way the pins don't fall out. All right, standard follower. Again, another dead giveaway that this is not the Yale 500, Yale 500 Plus. It's this skeleton core here. Okay, so we got that in. Let's take these out. So pin number 1, spoiler alert, they're all going to be standard. Hence why this is not a blue melt, no counter melt or anything like that. Okay, 2. I'll give you a close up of these. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, flip it down. Let's get these pins out. Pin 1, spool. Pin 2, standard, makes sense because counter rotation. I mean, not counter rotation, I apologize, full set, which required the counter rotations. So it makes sense that that one was a standard. Here's another spool. There's your other standard. And last one is going to be another spool. Let's keep a close up of that. And as you can see, all of those key pins, or the bottom pins, are all standards, nothing that's rated. And then you have spool, standard, spool, standard, spool. I really like these springs too, but that's it.